In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most compassionate. In this lecture, I'm working how to create company in QuickBooks Desktop. So we can create company by two ways. One is Express Start. If you want to uh, create company with short details, so we can click on Express Start. If you want to give detailed information for a company, so we can create detailed start. So click on detailed start and right here the name of company, for example a company by the name of ORS, and here the legal name is also maybe also same, and here you can write the tax ID, and here you can write the street address, and here you can write a city and zip code regarding that city, and here you can select the country in which this organization or company doing its operations. So click on it, and here you can write the number that you use and this company, and here you can use fax ID and zip code as well, zip code of that place where the organization has the operations. Email address, you can also write email of your company here, or is at gmail.com, and here you can write the website of that company and click on next. Then you can choose the industry, which type of industries that I'm selecting manufacturing. Then click on next, and then you can choose how is your company organized. If it's sole proprietorship, click on sole proprietorship. If it's partnership, click on partnership. It's LLC or it's NGO, so click on non-profit. I'm clicking on sole proprietorship, then click next, and from here you can choose this month of fiscal year, which is starting month of your fiscal year, so you can choose from here, and then click on next, and here you can set up administrator password. It's optional if you don't write password, so it doesn't matter. Click on next, and then click on next, and then click on save. اینجا در سیتی ما میتونیم نام ولایت نوشته کنیم. در ستیت که کدام ستیت هستن ای ندارن فعلا. در اینجا شما زیپ کود نوشته کنین که مربوطی شهر میشه. در اینجا شما میتونین که امو هیواد یا کدام کشور انتخاب میکنین که در کدام کشور فعالیت داره. اگر در این کشور نام کشور نبود، شما باید ادر انتخاب کنین. و در اینجا فون نمبر که در از کدام فون استفاده میشه در کمپانی او را نوشته میکنیم. سر کرییت کمپانی کلیک میکنم، کمپانی ما جور میشه. Then click on next, and what you sell, so you can choose about service and products what you sell, and do you charge a sales tax? Yes, click on next. And what do you want to create estimates in QuickBooks? Click on yes if you want to create. If you don't create, so click on no, then click next. And tracking customer orders in QuickBooks, you can click on next, and using statements and QuickBooks, click yes, then click on next. And if you are using progress invoicing, you can click on yes. If you don't use, so click on no, then click on yes. And you want to manage your bills, you click on next. And tracking inventory in QuickBooks, yes, and click on next. And tracking time in QuickBooks, then if you have in place, so you can click yes. And then which type of employees do you have, so you can select one of them, and then click next, and then again click next. Select the date to start tracking your finance beginning of this fiscal year. Click on next, and here you can you select the accounts that will be used in your business, and can just click on it and then click next, and then click go to setup. So this is the process of creating a company in QuickBooks Desktop. So here you can add the people you do business with, and here you can add the products or services you sell in, and here you can add your bank accounts. So if you want to start your activities, click on start working. So you can start activities. So after it, you can add here uh, add the people you do business with. If you click on add, you can add the people, and you add the products and services you sell. Click on add if you want to add, and add your bank accounts if you want to add bank accounts. So click on add. If you want to start working, click on start, and you can start your operations. And we can create company from express as well. Click on it, and here you can write ART in for business name. Here you can select industry type, and here you can select business type, and here you can write what you can write here, address of the company, and here you can choose the state. If you use if the organization or company running operations in USA, you can choose US. If other countries, click on other, and then click create company.